little bit of rice on my tortilla. Yeah, I almost didn't come on live, and the universe was like, you need to show up. You need to show up for you. So I am here. So I feel like that's a sign for someone. If you're getting a sign to show up for you, or if you're questioning that, it is a sign to show up for you. Okay. And the Borlotti beans. They also have like kidney beans and black beans, and I'm trying to remember if I shared those. I made a reel before. I don't know if I actually shared it. It might be in my drafts. Okay, it's a lot of beans, more than I expected. This is kind of distracted. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some tomatoes on here. Actually, let me do this first. Been using my mole. Put a little bit of mole on here with the beans and the rice. And now the mole. And now the little baby tomatoes. The Florida Everglades tomatoes. Okay. I feel like we need some green in here. Ta-da! Maybe a little taco. It's really good, actually. I got a little bit of sea salt. Oh no, things are falling out. Things are falling out. Okay. It's not falling out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Eating tends to make me feel better in general. And I actually get very hangry very quickly. The inside kind of fell out. But it's also good just with like the beans and the rice and the tomatoes.